Fuck is that? That's not real snowboarding. Hey, bend your knees! What the fuck? Hurry up! We're going that way. We're going that way. Hurry up, Benjamin! That's not snowboarding! That's not snowboarding. You suck. I got you bitches on camera. You suck. I'm such a... Colin, you better turn right. Like, for real.
Yeah.
Like, now. Like,
Going over here?
Yeah, we're going over there, yes. We're going to come down.
Before the tree line.
Yeah, before the tree line, like, to the right of this tree line right here. So we're going to be to the right of that tree line. Okay. So we're going to be like where that guy's fucking skiing right there. That's where we're going to be, I think. Can we go that way? I wonder.
I was pretty pissed, dude.
About what?
So snowboarding.
Huh?
So snowboarding.
Who?
Yeah, Candy there.
Oh, your wife?
Yeah.
Why?
It's finally their day off.
Oh, well, I just got off staff duty and my wife was like, oh, you got something? I know. You gonna come somewhere? She said, no, it's cold. I'm like, all right, fine. I'm going by myself. I wanted her to come, but she didn't want to. I want to watch that one video. It's very funny. Fucking slow asses and shit. Connie, look, you're making them look bad. You talk all the shit you want now. Like, you guys fucking suck. Just like fucking leafing it down. Like, get shit. They go 4 years.
I'll smoke a cigarette halfway down, dude.
That's badass. I like this no goggles thing. I mean, when the fucking blowers aren't on, you could easily do it.
Do what?
No goggles?
No goggles? Yeah.
Is that Charlie? No.
And sometimes you get fucking wind chill, dude. Fucking if it close your eyes and shit.
Yeah, if you just blink them a few times, you'll be fine. Oh, I want to hit that shit right there. You know all the shit they're talking about. We were doing jumps before we left, blah, blah, blah. Bitch, what jumps, motherfucker? You can't even go fast. Fucking guy. See, I hate that shit. Like, they talk so much shit. But they cannot back it up. You know what I mean? Oh, it's annoying. Hey, bitch, get off my shit. Oh.
Get off my shit, ho.
Alright, Connie, you ready? I'll fuck this up, Connie. I'll fuck you up.
Ready?
Fuck this up, Connie. I'll fuck
Yeah, we're gonna fuck this up.
Kyle, you're gonna fuck it up. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go straight. You fucking turn right, and then when you turn right, I'll turn in. Don't fuck it up, Kyle. So yeah, don't fucking hit me either if you fall. Don't be a
Don't
bitch.
fucking fall off this little ledge right there.
Don't be a bitch. You did good? Huh? What? Wasn't that bad.
I'm gonna buckle my shit up here, dude.
You can if you want. Man. Go behind me though. You know what I mean?
Huh?
Stay, do it in front of me. Those guys are too slow.
Huh?
Those guys are way too slow, man. Huh?
I waited for those guys.
Oh, well, next time.
Then you didn't go on the mogul?
I did, but I stopped.
didn't.
I did.
What? 30 seconds?
Yeah, I crossed like 3 times. That's it. We'll go to the left of the mogul. We can go to the left of the mogul. We just can't go into the tree line.
Yeah, I want to do something else. There's only 3. Look, that's it. There's got to be something else.
I mean, you can't do that other one because it's going to be closed.
What's on the other side?
It's where they intermeet, like those skiers where the shit's closed.
Yeah, there's something on the other side.
Other side of the bunny slope.
Huh?
The other side of the bunny slope.
Good bunny slope.
We can go see
Where
Wilson.
Angels always went.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's closed. That's right there.
That's this one?
Yeah, I mean, if we go to the left instead of going to the right, not all the way down there because their shit goes into that.
That's a black diamond. The other one's like a fucking, it's not even a square.
That's a square. No, actually, look.
There's another square down there.
Where?
That's what I was talking about. Right next to the bunny slope.
Oh, you mean the steeper one? The one that was closed last time? Yeah, it's still closed today.
Oh, is it
Yeah.
close?
Yeah, it's still closed. Like the lifts aren't even on. Huh? All right. Well, we'll go down. When we go down, go straight to the left of the moguls, and you can go and cross.
Nice.
Where's Andrews at?